Do you want to generate leads for your affiliate marketing business? If yes, get ready to supercharge your lead generation game with 9 mind-blowing lead magnet ideas. From the classics to the cutting edge, I've got them all lined up. So get ready to skyrocket your conversion rates. Whether you are a seasoned pro or just starting out, these lead magnets will work wonders for your affiliate marketing business. They are like magnets on steroids, attracting high quality leads faster than ever before. So get ready to turn your visitors into loyal subscribers and your subscribers into paying customers. Hello everyone, I'm Shubhamjeet Kumar and let's jump in. Okay, now I've got 9 lead magnet ideas for you and one bonus that will help you to generate leads like never before. The first idea is a resource list. If you give me the tools to run an affiliate marketing business, I will gladly take it. So in my experience, people love tools and resources that they can use to solve their problems. So the first lead magnet idea is a resource list. By creating a list of tools or resources, you will help your audience to set up their business or to achieve their goals. Let's say you have an SEO blog or a blog on SEO. So you can create a list of the top 5, 7 or 11 tools that will help rank the blog posts of your audience on page 1 of the search engine results page. Okay, so according to experts, any kind of resource list works. So figure out according to your niche what works best and then create a resource list accordingly. If you visit my website shubhamjeetkumar.com/resources, you'll find a list of all the tools that I use to run my stable business. Okay. Now, the second lead magnet idea for you is a quick starter guide. A quick starter guide will work if your audience is extreme beginners. Okay. So for every beginner in affiliate marketing, the biggest challenge is traffic generation. So if you can give them 10 tips, 3 steps or 6 ways to generate traffic, they will definitely take it. Okay, so another way you can generate more leads is to help your audience generate more traffic in, let's say, 24 hours. I know it sounds mouth-watering, but if you can really help your audience to generate traffic in really 24 hours, they will give you their emails and names very, very quickly. So let's say if you are a weight loss expert, for example, you can offer a quick starter guide to lose, let's say, 2 kg in 30 days. Okay, so that is a great lead magnet idea. All right. Now, the third lead magnet idea for you is cheat sheet. There are many shortcuts for Windows or Mac that people want to know. For example, Control and C or Command or C is for copy. Control V, Command V is for paste, Control X or Command X is for cut, and so on. So if you can give your audience a list, a cheat sheet of the most important tips or a cheat sheet to skyrocket a business, then they will definitely share their emails. Okay, the cheat sheet could be a reference. So, let's say you want to create an SEO optimized content, you can give a cheat sheet on what to include in the content, what keywords to target, the length of the blog post, and so on. Okay, so if you have everything in place, your audience will be ready to give you their emails. And just like GTA Vice City, if you can give your audience cheat codes, they will do their work efficiently and they'll definitely enjoy doing their work. Okay, now the fourth lead magnet idea is a checklist. As I've said in a few videos I recorded before, a checklist is the list of all the items that you need to accomplish in order to achieve a goal. For example, if you are, let's say you are creating an ad, a Facebook ad, then you need to select a campaign type, you need to define an audience, you need to give a title, you need to give a headline, a description, a CTA, then you have to define the audience, then you have to select the budget, then you have to place the pixels, and so on. So this is a checklist. Similarly, if you are a fat loss expert, you can give a checklist of how your target audience or your students can lose weight. Okay, so that's number 4 checklist. Now the 5th lead magnet idea is an email swipe file. For an online business, email marketing is extremely crucial. If you have been doing affiliate marketing for some time, you might have understood that email marketing is a gold mine. It gives a return on investment of 42x. So let's say you are promoting an email marketing platform. Okay, so whoever the merchant is or the vendor is, if they give you an email swipe file of, let's say, 5 emails, 7 emails or 9 emails, that will make your work easier. You don't have to look for resources or look for ideas to create your own emails. You will get email swipe files. You can model it. By model it, I mean consider the email swipe file as a template, and referring to it, you can write your own emails. Okay, but email swipe file will be like a framework that you can use to write effective emails. Okay, so that was number 5, email swipe files. Now the 6th lead magnet idea is a mini course. A mini course will definitely help you attract more leads if your target audience is, let's say, beginners. Okay, for example, my target audience are beginners at affiliate marketing. So I've created a mini course. It is called Affiliate Mastery Foundation. I will place it in the description box. If you are a beginner at affiliate marketing and you want to learn the basics, then that course will definitely help you get started. So I'll place the link in the description box. You can click enroll now and start learning right away. Okay, a mini course will equip your students or your audience with the basic knowledge of your niche. Okay, and that will also work as a sales pitch for your next level program. Okay, so a mini course has worked wonders for me. I think my landing page to mini course conversion rate is about 35 to 40%, and from there to L1 is 15-20%. So mini course has been a great lead magnet idea for me. Number 7 is quiz or assessment. Dr. John D. Martini on his website has a personality assessment quiz where he asks you few questions, and based on your responses, eventually he gives you what kind of a person you are or what your values are. Okay, so if you are, let's say, a health expert, you can give a quiz or assessment to identify what the goals and desires of your target market are. Okay, and a quiz or assessment will also help you to filter out non-quality or poor quality audience with the ideal quality audiences. Okay, so if, let's say, 10 people sign up for the quiz and 8 of them do poorly, then you have to work with 2 people only. So a quiz will also give you an idea of who your ideal target audience will be. Now the 8th lead magnet idea is templates. Let's say your niche is, or you teach people how to get more views on YouTube. So you can teach people how to create a catchy thumbnail, how to give an attractive title, how to give an appealing description. You can tell people how to record the YouTube video. You can tell people what points to include and what to exclude. You can tell how they can solve a problem in a YouTube video and so on. So since you are giving a perfect recipe for success, your audience will definitely grab a template. Okay, and since you're providing value by helping your audience by solving their problem, they will happily give their emails in exchange for templates. Okay, now the 9th lead magnet idea is a webinar. Many people say webinar is dead, but in my experience and the experience of my coach, webinar is the most lucrative marketing channel for us. Okay, through a webinar you can provide value. You can connect with hundreds of people from anywhere in the world sitting at your home. Webinar will also help you to qualify quality people, and it will filter out those who are not serious. As I said, my webinar conversion rate is about 15 to 20%. So I know when I reach the sales pitch, I know these 15 or 20% people are serious to go through and make their and achieve their goals, right? So a webinar definitely helps. How it is better is you can interact with many people at the same time. So it is much better than one-to-one coaching, where your time is extremely limited, you have 24 hours, and if your one-on-one call goes for, let's say, 30 minutes, maximum you can have 48 one-to-one calls every day. Through a webinar, you can address hundreds of people, thousands of people in one session. So that's the power of webinar. And through a webinar, you can make a lot of sales in just 90 minutes. And as a bonus lead magnet idea, if you are an author, you can give a free chapter of your book to your audience as a lead magnet. Okay, so if the first chapter is interesting enough, they will definitely want to try out the entire book and they'll definitely order it. Okay, so those were the 9, or shall I say 10, lead magnet ideas to help you attract quality leads to skyrocket your business. Now, what shall you avoid in a lead magnet? Poor CTA. I've seen many times where beginners say, subscribe to my email list, please share your emails, I will send you emails, please give me your email, I will send you some educational resources. Nobody wants to be sold to. Okay, the poorest example of a CTA is, I subscribe to my email list. Why shall people subscribe to your email list? Give them a reason. Okay, because look, you might be receiving hundreds of emails every day like me, and I'm sure you are also irritated with all the notification sounds when, let's say, you are busy, right? So when you share your email, you should get something in return, something valuable, right? Similarly, when you ask people for their email, you should give them something valuable for free. Okay, so the whole purpose of a lead magnet is to give something valuable for free in return of their emails, names, or phone numbers. Okay, so don't say subscribe to my email list. Your CTA can be 9 things you must take care of while creating a Facebook ad. Okay, so your CTA should be action oriented. Okay, it should induce an action. So whatever you want the people to do, whatever you want your audience to do, that should be the CTA. For example, you are giving a YouTube, let's say your niche is YouTube and you help people get more views on YouTube videos. So your CTA can be, download this checklist to get more views on your YouTube videos. Okay, simple and plain. Okay, now if you are new to affiliate marketing, I have a free gift for you. A few months ago, I launched my Affiliate Mastery Foundation membership, in which you'll have access to 1 course, weekly inner circle calls with my community, weekly hackathons where I will hold your hands and take you to your goals, community access where people like you and me can interact with affiliate marketers, we can discuss ideas, we can solve problems, we can help others who are in need, who are facing challenges, and we can grow together as a community. Along with it, you'll have access to one-on-one coaching where I'll guide you personally, I'll ask you questions, you'll ask me questions, I'll clear your doubts, and based on your response, I'll create a 3 to 6 month roadmap for you. And the course that I was talking about will contain 3 secrets that I followed to earn $3,328 in just 17 weeks, and since then my income has not dropped. Usually the price of the Affiliate Mastery Foundation membership is 4,999 rupees, but since I'm on a mission to help 10,000 people live a life of financial independence through the power of affiliate marketing, you'll get my Affiliate Mastery Foundation membership for absolutely free. Please note that this is a limited duration offer. It is only for action takers, and if you think of enrolling some other time, you would have lost out on the opportunity, because I will revert the price to 4,999 very soon. Okay, so that's about this video. In this video, I shared 9, or shall I say 10 lead magnet ideas to help you attract more leads and eventually convert them into paying customers. And I also shared what you should avoid while generating leads. And towards the end, I shared how you can join my community. So that's about this video. If this video provided you with value, please give it a thumbs up, share your feedback, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and stay in touch for more videos related to affiliate marketing. Cheers, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.